Hey guys, so it's me again. I'm Lakina Madison. I am a tax strategist and enrolled agent with Tax Savvy Refunds Company. Very, very proud of it. And I've been doing taxes for a couple years now. So if you don't know me, you can find me on Instagram as Level Up with Kina or Tax Savvy Refunds CO. And get more information and updates with the IRS and taxes, okay? So today I am going to discuss and show you step by step on how to change your address, your business address with the IRS. So let's get started. It's a pretty simple form, but it's very straight to the point and very easy to fill out and complete and send it in. So we're going to go over each section step by step so that it'll be very easy for you. So I'm going to share my screen. Let's see here. All right, boom. Okay, so here is the form. All right, and it's on the IRS. So we're going to go out and go back in. So we're going to go to irs.gov just in case you guys want to know how to find certain forms. So we want the 8822 form. And then you're going to search for it. Boom. So you're going to get your original change of address form. So that's for personal. But right now we are trying to change the business address. So we're going to click on this. And then you see how the current form is here. You'll click that and the PDF form will come up for you to be able to print and edit that out. So I hope you guys can see the screen pretty clear. Okay, so the 8822-B form is really, really simple. At the top, that first box here, it is if you are a tax exempt organization. So like if you are a nonprofit, you'll click the first box here. All right. But we're concerned right now that, say, for instance, that you are a for-profit company. So you're going to check all of these boxes that your address can be changed to. So if it's an employment, excise, income, and other business returns, such as Form 720, 940, 941, 990, 1041, 1065, 1120, and etc., you're going to check that box off. If it's just for employee plan returns or for both, you'll check off that one as well. And then, of course, business location. So if you move locations, you definitely need to check box 3. Okay, step 4, you're going to go ahead and type in or write down your business name. And then you're going to put your tax ID, which is also considered your employee identification number or your EIN. You need to put on step 5 the old mailing address. Okay, you're going to put the old address, the country, all right, and the state and the zip code. Okay, so make sure you put all of that info and then change the address. So you put the new information, the new mailing address here on line 6. Line 7, if it's a new business location, say for instance, you are just adding a new location, you can just fill this form out and just add the new location in instead of changing the address. If it's a multiple location business. All right. And then, of course, you want to put on line 8, who's the responsible party. So who can the IRS contact for additional information if you're missing anything, or who they need to mail the correspondences addressed to. All right. And then you also, on number 9, you need to put your social security number or, again, your tax ID, okay? 10, make sure you send a signature with that. And of course, your name and phone number. You want to make sure you put a date on there and the title of the person who is filling this form out. Okay. Now, here's where you have to be specific, because all of these business changes addresses does not go to the same place. So depending on what state you currently live in, you're going to look in these 2 boxes here, and then it'll tell you the address that you send it to. So Connecticut, Delaware, District of Columbia, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, Tennessee, Vermont, Virginia, West Virginia, and Wisconsin all goes to Kansas City, Missouri. Now, if you live in Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Florida, Hawaii, Idaho, Iowa, Kansas, Louisiana, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Mexico, North Dakota, Oklahoma, Oregon, South Dakota, Texas, Utah, Washington, Wyoming, and any place outside the U.S., you want to make sure you send it to Utah. Okay? So it's specifically on there. So don't just pick an address. Make sure you pick the right one that falls in the category that your business resides in. Okay? And then the second sheet is always a breakdown of each line that we went through on what that means and what to fill out. Okay, so it tells you about P.O. boxes, foreign addresses, how to place in care of address. Okay, the purpose of the form tells you all that important stuff. However, if you get stumbled, go ahead and replay this video so that you'll be able to fill out this form properly and send it off to the IRS to change your business address. Okay? So I hope that was helpful. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure that if this information was helpful, you go ahead, you share this with your friends. Go ahead and hit that follow and the thumbs up for me to like this video. And I can't wait to provide more value for you. So again, you can find me on Instagram or Facebook as Level Up with Kina. Okay? Or you can also find me on Tax Savvy Refunds, CO. All the links to those pages is in the comments. Also, a link to this form is that we just completed, so you can go directly to it and print it, is also in the comments. And again, make sure you like and you share, and make sure you follow me, because I'm going to provide you guys with more important information and value. Okay? So until next time, see you guys later, and Happy New Year.